Question: a motorcyclist is traveling at 15 meters per second forward and applies the brakes. The motorcycle slows down at 5 meters per second square backward. Determine the motorcycle's braking distance. So the initial velocity equals 15 meters per second forward. And the acceleration equals 5 meters per second square backward. And this equals negative 5 meters per second square forward. And the final velocity equals 0 meters per second. According to the formula, the time interval equals the final velocity minus the initial velocity divided by the acceleration. And this equals the final velocity 0 meters per second minus initial velocity 15 meters per second forward divided by the acceleration negative 5 meters per second square forward. And this equals 3 seconds. Then using the formula, the displacement equals 1/2 the final velocity plus the initial velocity multiply the time interval delta t. And this equals 1/2 multiply final velocity 0 meters per second plus initial velocity 15 meters per second forward. Then multiply the time interval 3 seconds. And this equals 22.5 meters forward.